So this is part 2 of my brother-in-law snoring.
Mark, did we run this yesterday?
I don't know. Yeah, we did, remember? And very scary. Take you guys on a little adventure. Alright, let's go see what this guy's doing over here. Well, hello. Good morning, partner in crime. Here's my buddy old pal.
Oh boy,
Trouble's up. It's all seriousness. I hope I didn't make this too strong. Actually, that doesn't smell bad. Does this smell too strong for you? I don't think so. Say hi, everybody.
Hi, everybody.
Oh, wait, hold on. Go ahead.
Hi, everybody.
Here we are, back to Girly Snore Boy.